Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was not even gonna make a video today. But I've been a little discouraged with the numbers on the channel coming into 2022. My energy was different. I was like, yo, I'm gonna put out more content, different things like that. Put out a couple videos, and my channel has been regressing. I don't know what's going on, man. So I don't know, but I am a content creator. This is what I've been doing for a while. So I figured I'd at least pull my phone out. I'm already at the mall. I ain't gonna do the whole thing from the house and start all like, no. We just gonna get up here to the mall. We're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna go up here and pick up these Jordan 4 Crimsons. I mean, what are they called? Red Crimson? Red Thunders? I'm not exactly sure. I'm trying to see if this is gonna be one of those same energy Saturdays. Am I gonna keep that same energy? I've been talking real spicy about this sneaker since I seen images. I've been saying it looked like, you know what I'm saying, a flea market colorway. The material looked trash. Am I going to get in here and keep that same energy? I believe that I am. I'm not a fan of the colorway. To me, it looks like a hood sneaker. But for whatever reason, everybody's saying fours are the new wave. Like, that's what everybody's on. Everybody hopping off. Everybody hopping off the ones and hopping onto the fours. So if that's what the new hype is, if that's what the new wave is, I'm here for it. I'm a huge four fan. I'm just not a fan of this colorway, I think. So we'll see in a second. Let me get my mask on. I'm about to walk into this mall and see what these look like in hand. All right, so I was able to secure my pair at JD Sports on the exclusive access. I was able to get in for a grade school and an adult size. So I'm gonna pick both of those pairs up. It don't look like there's anybody waiting for extra pairs. Usually JD Sports does after 5 o'clock, you can come get any extra pairs or something like that. But no line. And it's 4:30, so I don't know if they're not doing extra pairs. If it's only exclusive access you can get, I don't know. But let's go inside. What is that? Is it your size?
Yeah.
Is it the last one? It's about to be 5 o'clock. You can't get it one after that.
I won the size and just like my size.
What size did you win?
I just don't even this.
An 8. I'm about to say I'll trade you, but I ain't. That's adult prices right there. I need that GS price.
I know. You should.
All right, y'all. Y'all see what it is. Both pair down. I'm not picking up any other pairs or anything like that. I didn't go for any pairs on Sneakers app or nothing like that. Like I said, this was never going to be for the personal. So I wasn't putting in a whole bunch of extra footwork for these. I didn't even look at them in the store. She didn't even crack the box for me. I mean, it's not on her to crack the box, but I didn't crack the box. So I'm about to sit in the car real quick before I get home and do a full review. But I want to see what these look like in hand, see what the quality control is like. But let's get in the car out of this cold, not this wind. All right, y'all see what it is. Got this size 11, my personal size. Air Jordan 4. Let's peel this back. Let's see what this is talking about. Like, maybe I'm bugging. It's possible. It's possible that I'm bugging. But I don't know. What is that? What is that? I don't think that's a quality control thing. Somebody was rubbing across that. Looked like, I don't know what that, never mind. Honestly, in hand, the sunlight is coming through the front of the car. So it makes these look a little bit more washed out than they are. Looking at it with my naked eye, these are pretty black. Not as ashy as it looks with the sunlight coming in. But I'm walking around in the sunlight. So if I'm walking around and they look ashy on my toes because the sun is beaming off of them, then I'm good. I mean, you can see the glue marks all the way around where the sneaker meets the midsole. This is pissing me off. It's not my personal pair, but hopefully I'm able to just wipe that off. Maybe I'll do a full review at the house, compare these and the GS together or something like that. But my energy is definitely going to stay the same. This is not something that I would personally need for my rotation, for my collection. I don't get why people would go crazy over a sneaker like this. Definitely overhyped, as far as I know. There's a lot of people that feel the same way as me, but the people that are just like going crazy for this, I don't understand your excitement, honestly. But, you know, to each his own. That's what this game is all about. That's what the sneaker community is all about, and that's what I love about it. Let's get back to the house. All right, guys, obviously we're back at the house now. So I have them both out of the box. I have the GS size 6.5 right here on decky. And I'm just going to be completely honest, man. Like, this is the one that I wiped a little bit of that white smear that was on there off. And I think that's going to be a huge issue for anybody that wants these, or just getting them in hand out of the box. Whatever this nubuck, soft nubuck material is going to leave a lot of smudges, and like if you got any oils or lotions or anything on your hands, it's going to leave a lot of marks on this material. And to me, honestly, I don't know if it's just, obviously all pairs are not created equally. So, but my GS pair actually feels better than the adult size pair. This 6.5 actually is hitting a little different than, let me get my face out of the camera so it'll focus on the sneaker a little bit. But this GS pair is hitting a little different than the adult pair. Honestly, it's just not for me, man. So I don't know. I don't see it. I don't see the hype behind these. Shout out to anybody that got them. It's not a bad sneaker at all. It's just not for me. And, you know, this is definitely going to be something that I've thrown up. It's already up there on my trade block. If you don't follow me on there, my closet is pretty empty right now because I traded almost all the stuff that I wasn't going to wear that had a little bit of monetary value away. That's a much anticipated video for me. A lot of people, because I went crazy in December on trades, have been asking me to make a trade block video. So that's coming. But these are going to go on there. I'm just going to spend a lot of 2022 building my closet up on there and trading things away to get things that I really, really want. Because I'm not one to spend money resale. I don't spend resale on sneakers. So this one does have some brush strokes issues. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it with that lighting, but no, the light is going to glare it out. But right here, you can see it's a big glob of paint where you can see some brush strokes. But anyway, y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. Did y'all even go for these? Were these a must cop for you? Or were they a hard pass? I mean, some people were on the fence. Some people wanted to build their points. Some people wanted to flip them. Some people wanted them for the personal. Which one were you? OV!
Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, but rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker